Stop Asian hate. Agreed. Agreed. And here we got a Rolls Royce. Not sure who's driving, but we'll get ahead of him. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another vloggy vlog as we arrive in New York City from New Jersey, as we are going slowly and gingerly behind the car from Pennsylvania as they fear for their life in the big town of New York City. Can you blame them though? No, you can't. You cannot blame them. So, what are we doing? We're chilling. On today's vlog, I'm just gonna take you along for a ride through the city and just, you know, just discuss what I do. Because what I did last night and doing later today, that's not important. The only important thing is the ride. The ride at hand. Are we still recording? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. We are vlogging. So, right now, I'm chilling in first gear, getting ready to go, getting ready to take off, and we're going to the right. Do I have to put on the turn signal? I guess so, yeah. I guess I should. This is a beautiful little tunnel here that not a lot of people use for some reason. I use it all the time. I'm a big fan. And now we're just kind of relax. That's cool. I didn't know about that. West 33rd Street exit. And then we just kind of, oh, I didn't put on a turn signal. Fuck. That's not cool. Can't believe I didn't put on the turn signal. That ain't cool at all. So now I did. Now I put on a turn signal because I'm about to take a left and then take another right. How about them apples? And there's another monster over there. How's it going? I was flirting with that guy, and that's what happened. That's what happens when you flirt. Motorcycle flirting. Thought the guy was flirting with me and I got confused. I'm gonna have to crack my helmet open a little bit. Just a little pinch. Oh, look at this, New York City. And I stay in the middle because I want to be aware of all the cars all around me, because I could see how it's intimidating to ride on city streets when you first start. But as long as you're fully aware, that's why my mirrors are perfectly set up, you know, all my gear is checked, everything is perfect, so I can just fully focus on the actual ride. And the temperature is spot on, so that's not a concern. And it's okay to change lanes, you know, like you don't have to. That's the thing about motorcycles, is that you don't have to stick to one lane. You can actually shift lanes if it's gonna help you keep the momentum up. You know what I mean? Like look here. I'm gonna go to the right. My mirror is not set up, so next chance I get, I'm gonna adjust my mirror. Maybe over here. That's a little better. Look over your shoulder, signal, get to the middle. Look at this. This is just so relaxing. A perfect little cruise. Super chill. As New York City is waking up, people are having their brunches and whatnot. People are sleeping at red lights. Should have made that move there, but it's okay. All these white cars everywhere. What is happening? White car party? I'll never take 14th Street anymore. Or, oh, this is just in 16th. I guess I could, but, you know. What is this? A little Porsche? What's happening here? Why is there a situation? Freaking move, bruh. Shit. Sorry, that's not part of the how-to. Don't do that. Don't honk at people and yell at them. Not here. We just go straight. Beautiful thing. Technically, I could just go down 14th Street, but nah. I like this street better. It's a little bit more special. Death by Pizza. I bet that place is delicious. We got Apple Store over here. Got a couple of nice things. Couple of nice things. People are certainly driving like little princesses. That's for certain. Damn, 14th Street is looking kind of open. Next time. We got a Jersey driver here. 2 Jersey drivers. Jeez Louise. We're really in trouble. I like this neighborhood. Big fan. Big fan. Come on, baby. Please, please. Had to get ahead. Had to get ahead of all these folks. Beautiful. Such a chill neighborhood. I love walking around here. But yeah, you just kind of stay on your toes. Keep it moving. Keep it going. Here we take a little left. Just like so. By the book. Nobody's upset. I could get around him right here, right? Probably. That's probably possible. Or is that upsetting? Probably upsetting to some, but... Is it almost my turn? A lot of people. A lot of people. Busy area. I'm actually surprised how many people there are here today. This lady is swerving on that old bicycle. Not sure if she's ready. What's going on here? Photo ops. Look at this. Photo opportunities next to the flower stores. Come on, North Carolina, you got this. Nissan Roger. Is it Nissan Roger? Yeah, because it's French. Look at these people. Look at these folks here. Can you fucking move? That's not nice of me to say. But this person is literally going 1 mile per hour. Geek Squad members. Trying to hurt me emotionally. Oh, that's a nice little khaki. It's a nice little khaki here. Slowly but surely, we crawl along the streets like a slinky. we go. What are you doing? No idea what he was doing. So we just kind of get ahead a little bit like that. Love this street. It's nice and wide open. Nice and perfect. Beautiful day. Yeah, this was supposed to be an instructional video, and it kind of still is. Probably showed you a few things you shouldn't do. It's possible. But in this juncture, I always stay in first, because that way it can take off. Because if you put it in neutral and take your hands off, it's extra stuff you got to do. But in first, you just hold the clutch in and you're golden. You are golden, my friend. We got some speed cameras ahead, but we're not speeding, so it's not really something I have to concern with. I love this area here. It's a nice place to walk about. Little Chinese place. Panzerotti. What is that? Bruh, what are you doing? Dude. Fucking asshole. Totally not necessary for me to call him that bad name, but he was not from around town and he was not sure about his decision. So that happens. And here we got a Rolls Royce. Not sure who's driving, but we'll get ahead of him. Definitely not going to be hanging out behind the Rolls Royce as they take their sweet, beautiful time. It's a nice one. It's a nice one, though. Just be nice and gentle. Go ahead, sir. Look at this. Tourism. Strong tourism in this town. It's a beautiful thing. People are just out and about. Touring it up. I like it. And the Rolls Royce is behind me now. Cruising. Maybe I should go for a walk. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, taking a little right, paying attention, head on the swivel, see where, how, and why I can take advantage of the road ahead. Is this 2 seconds? 1 second? Come on, baby. Come on, baby. The Rolls Royce will pull up next to me, maybe. Yes. It's a beautiful thing. Oh, and look at that Benz over there. I'm almost like, the Rolls Royce is nice, but I kind of like that Benz over there. The GTR. GTS or whatever. GTR, I think it's called. You'll see it on the left side there. The white one. That thing is glorious. That thing is beautiful. All the nice cars are out. See it over there? That thing? Oh yeah, that dude is chilling. Switch around, switch about. Don't want to go too fast. This bus, man. This bus is making moves. Spicy bus. Spicy bus. Look at all those people. Wait, there's a protest? I kind of want to pull up and look at it. What is going on here? recording. Yeah. Oh, stop Asian hate. Agreed. Agreed. What a weird timing for me.